Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be doing this amazing bun, which started from that, which is totally unacceptable, to this beautiful, gorgeous bun that we have over here. It could be messy, it could be clean, it could be ballerina, it could be high fashion, stylish, whatever you want. But we're gonna do this now with this beautiful insert name here extension. So let's dive into it. So first, let's assess the situation. My hair is pretty long. It's, in a bad shape overall. First, I was gonna put some Batiste dry shampoo in my hair, which the pretty and opulent oriental scent. I was gonna say flavor, but you guys, this is not a flavor, but this is just to give me a little bit more volume, to remove a little bit of the oils from my scalp because my scalp is really, really oily for some reason. I just usually go and then I massage it into my hair just to, give it a little bit of freshness that is missing. And obviously, if you have like darker hair than mine, it might not work, this one in particular, because it leaves kind of like a whitish residue in the hair. Totally normal. We're having a beautiful wash day. It's not too bad. As you can see, I have some volume that came back to life. I have absolutely no volume in my hair, but this definitely helped. And then I take my little beautiful comb and I will be combing my hair back without messing up my makeup. For this bun, usually you want to put it like right on top of your head. It's gonna make the most difference in your buns, and it's gonna look really, really pretty. So, and usually I put my head down, and then once I have it like this, I take my little elastic, which could be anything, after assessing the situation to see if there's anything bad here, and I just put it into a beautiful ponytail. Usually I take a little black elastic, but I really want you guys to see what's happening here. So that's why I took a pink one. Sometimes I put it a little bit higher on my head, sometimes a little bit lower. It depends on my mood, but not too low because sometimes, since I have long hair, it is, even if I don't have a lot, can be a little bit heavy on my head. So putting it at the top is the most comfortable that I have in my hair. The next thing that I like to do is to do a braid with my ponytail. So I have these little tiny elastics, which you're not gonna be able to see, probably not, but they are, clear elastics. And I just create a little braid out of my ponytail. All right, so this is done, and the only reason why I do this is because I want the bun to stay in place, and I don't want like hair to come out, and I don't want anything to be weird. And then, girl, if you get a lot of flyaways like me, sometimes it's like a little crazy over here, like in these areas. I do use some gel, which I have this defining gel, men expert, because who cares? It's a gel, right? So my boyfriend can use it, and I can use it. It's like a 2-in-1 type of thing situation, but I do put it like here. So I'm gonna be taking a little bit of gel. It is a clear gel, and what I like about these gels usually is that they don't really leave any type of residue, because usually, guys, when they put like the gel into their hair, it needs to look very flawless and beautiful. So this works. It's not pink, but it works. I'm just like this, and I just put it like this. You see, it's flat like everything else. And then I take my little rat tail over here, and I go around just like that. And look, it's literally standing up, like it's it's not pretty, you guys. It's not like the best thing that you could have in your life. Like, look, it's just standing straight and it doesn't do anything else. So the remedy for this beautiful little thing, which the solution to this problem is right here on my table. Ta-da! So it is the insert name here SAMMY bun in the shade ash brown for me. So this is a little bun. It is exactly like the same as a ponytail extension, as hair extension, but it is a bun extension, which, hello, this is crazy cool to me. So it isn't here. I did try it out before to make sure that I knew what I was doing, If you want to have like a bun with some hair coming out, you can. If you want to tuck it into your elastic, you can. Like, it is very versatile. So you can have different types of bun with you. So, and what I like about this one in particular is that inside there is, some clips here that you can put it inside your bun so it stays in place. There is also this thing right here, which can tie in the bun right around, because this is an elastic all around, and then you can tighten this up around your bun that you have right here. So this is great. I love the color. It's like purplish. There's the insert name here logo in there, and it just looks really amazing overall. To keep it very nice, honestly, you just use your brush and then you just brush it, you know? So you have a side to the bun, you have a front and you have the back. So the front has less hairs, so they are shorter here. And then you have the back that has a lot of long hairs, which is all synthetic. So I'm gonna be putting this up in my little bun. I scoop the pins in like this. All right, so that's what it looks like now. Like, looks pretty nice. Ooh, wow. Have a little mop on my head right now. The mop is gonna be very important because you guys, we know that it's gonna look awesome after when everything is done. So I do have my little silk, you know, scrunchie over here. I love a good black scrunchie because it goes with everything, any outfit that we have. And I know I look crazy right now, but bear with me, you guys, okay? This is the direction we're going in. There's a few options you can do. You can just like obviously put it like this and then go. And then you place the hair however you want. But I'm gonna place the hair first. So what I like to do is I take my little brush and then I will brush the hairs a little bit, so then there's not too many flyaways, you know. And then for this one, I like a beautiful kind of very fluffy bun, so I'm gonna stretch it out as much as I can, my scrunchie, and then I will put it on top of my bun. And then I tuck everything in and I just make sure that everything's fine. So then I push that in, you know, like I kind of play with it. And then I'm like, flyaways, come back please, but only on the side. And then sometimes I'm gonna pull on my hair on the side here, try to put a bit of volume because, you know, we like a little bit of volume. But my thing is I really love to have everything tight on my head. And if I want like a messy bun type of situation, like, oh, I just put it up my hair and that's it, you know, I just leave the back flowing. So like all the little hair, I'm gonna keep it out. And it creates kind of like a beautiful kind of messy bun situation. Or if I want like a clean kind of ballerina bun, I'm gonna put everything inside and keep it there. And voila, so this is the bun that we have at the very moment. What do you guys think? It's pretty, like it's almost bigger than my head. Honestly, I have to go down like this so you guys can see it properly. All right, you guys, so this is the final product, the final result of my beautiful, massive bun, which I love to do, especially when I have a really, really bad hair day. It is just insane. And you're like, oh my God, my hair looks professionally done in a matter of minutes, which is totally insane to me. Super easy, super nice, and it lasts really, really long. The only thing is, of course, you have to like brush the bun before using it, and then after using it, you put it back into its little box. So it's important to keep the box, and I just love it so, so much. And I also want to say thank you to Insert Name Here for sending me this little bun to try out and show you guys how it works. I absolutely love the bun, honestly. I am always 100% honest with my reviews, even though I receive products. And I also want to tell you guys that I have some money off and I have a little code that you can go and check it out if ever you are interested in this bun. And it's really easy. So for 15% off your purchase, you just have to use the code Roxanne, ROXANNE, all caps, and then you're gonna save some money off and you're gonna have a beautiful bun on a day-to-day basis, which your hair is gonna last all day long and it's gonna stay into a bun all day long, and you won't have to redo it, and it's gonna be a flawless, messy bun that just looks amazing. All right, you guys, so I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, reviews, and a whole lot more. So you guys so much, thank you so much for watching again, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys.